Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies from the meme category, right? Not the top 20. I was thinking of doing this alternate week by week. You know, one week we do top 40, the other week we do like meme coins, and we do all the other categories. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. So let's check out meme coins, shall we? Moon River, wider than a mile, I'll come to you in style someday. Alright, let's get straight into it. Shiba Inu, SHIB USDT. Where are we? Shiba Inu. Okay, let's look at it on Binance though. We have a lot of history for Shiba Inu. So for Shiba Inu against USDT, here we are. There's a support over here. I think previously we were saying that there could be a bounce back up towards the skinny pink line, right? Skinny pink line is acting as a proper resistance. We tried breaking the skinny pink line, but we didn't succeed breaking it convincingly. And now we're back under the skinny pink line. We're up again. It's like we're French kissing the skinny pink line, and now we're down. So yeah, we're expecting a rally though. If we do deep, then oh my god, this is not gonna be good. I think more likely than not, the direction is up. More likely than not. Of course, there's always danger, you know, because this is a mountain 1, mountain 2. If we rally and we come back down towards the support line, and you know, it's like a ball bouncing, boing, 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 boing. More likely than not, the next move is down. More likely than not. Of course, I could be wrong. And then, you know, yeah, this could be an up move, right? Again, this in itself could become a very nice squeeze as we break higher, right? Previously, before Shiba Inu rose higher, there was again some sort of a squeeze, not exactly high quality because there was a dip over here. And then we rallied back up. So maybe this was not intentional. So if you were to cut across, it looks something like a squeeze, right? A series of lower highs, not exactly, but something like that, and a series of higher lows, right? If we don't count this. So essentially a squeeze. And you know what happened? Yeah, Shiba Inu just went para. But to be honest, Shiba Inu, this is 1000%. To be honest, Shiba Inu actually went para a long time ago, right? So what we're seeing for Shiba Inu is like, it's, you know, from here, right? If you look, okay, let's turn off lock. If you go back in history, right, you can see how many zip ups Shiba Inu has already done, right? Look at this crazy madness, right? Shiba Inu has been around since 2020, right? Inception probably August 2020, and then look at this madness, right? We rose up. When was this? January 2021. Wow! Look at this. 20% is this 32,000%, right? And then we had a small dip. And you know what happened after that? We rose even higher. So from the bottom, we rose like 52%. And after that, you know what? Yeah, we went parabolic again. This is just how crazy. You see, I can't even pull it. It's crazy. Anyone who bought at the bottom over here. I saw on Twitter a long time ago that someone bought Shiba Inu at $8,000 and he turned it into 86 million. I'm like, what? Yeah. So anyway, here we are. And we continue rising and rising and yeah, this is just insanity, right? Billionaires, man. This is pure billionaires, man. We're minting billionaires just like that. So yeah. Anyway, my point being that currently, right, I think Shiba Inu could have a move higher. More likely than not, there could be a move higher, right? So, okay, I'm just gonna come back here. So the thing is that most of the meme coins do not make it. Most of the meme coins, a lot of meme coins are just like for fun, and a lot of honeypots as well. So if you were to go to Dex Tools and you were to look for live new pairs and you're thinking of getting into a coin, right at the bottom, there are plenty of honeypots, live new pairs. So in my opinion, you have to be very careful about going to a trade too soon. You must have a strategy or a system that works, right? I mean, of course, you can try out, you know, and try to develop your own strategy, right? Live new pairs, and try to sort it according to, you know, there are many ways you can do it. But I would encourage experimenting, and yeah, maybe you might catch the next Shiba Inu. But again, you must realize that this is very high risk, which means that things can, go wrong very easily. So even I myself, while exploring, I got caught into, I think, 2 honeypots. Dum. But yeah, this is just the price you pay for learning. So once you've made the mistake once, you realize, oh, you need to look for this. And then you make the mistake another time. So, oh, you have to look at this as well. So you see, okay, there are 2 things you have to look at before you make a move. If this 2 things checks out, if it checks out, then yeah, okay, you can consider making a move. But until then, yeah, you have to be very careful. Right. Anyway, coming back to Shiba Inu. Yeah, this is what we expect. Will we get it or not? We don't know. Let's move on. PEPE USDT. So this is PEPE. I mentioned it before. We discovered this in the smaller time frames. You'll be able to see it, but on the bigger time frames, yeah, it's not really looking that good right now. Feels to me like this is like a mountain 1, 2, yeah, no, it doesn't really look good to me. There are 2 clusters of stop sells here and here. So I suspect, I could be wrong, but I suspect that the PEPE wheels will pull PEPE lower to 100,000, right? Sub 100,000. Maybe there's some noise over here, maybe around 70,000, right? My guess is we'll head towards 70,000. My guess. I mean, of course, I could be wrong, but feels to me like 70,000 is an area that we could head to. So again, I'm not sure though. I don't have any clear tradable chart patterns. All I see is that this is danger to me. So be very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for PEPE. Floki, US. Okay, wait. Let's look at PEPE BRC. PEPE BRC USDT. Yeah, same thing. Nothing. Let's move to Floki. Floki USDT. Here we are for Floki. Anything for Floki? Yes, there's something going on for Floki. Ta-da! Today is a gift for you for Floki, right? So for Floki. Previously, right, we had a rally that came on. Anyway, I'm going to assume that this is a wave 1, right? We consolidated for a wave 2. And then what happened was we rose for a wave 3. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. So as evidence, wave 1 was about 258%. Wave 3, from bottom to top, is about 936%. About 4x of wave 1. I don't know how much higher wave 5 is going to be, but I'm going to assume there's going to be a wave 5. If it is going to be as long as, normally it's not, but if it's as long as wave 1, it'll be 268%, which will be, okay, I think it's going to be more than that, because we have a target over here. I think that the Floki wheels are heading towards 0.0001, where 0.4032. So this is a potential 200% rise for Floki Inu from the price of where we are right now. We are above the skinny pink line. We respect the skinny pink line, and we expect more upside for Floki Inu. So yeah, again, this is as clear as night and day, a consolidation. Of course, with that being said, maybe things can go wrong anytime, anywhere, any day, but this is a consolidation. And the Floki whales have been very kind to us by giving us clear consolidations, right? Look at this. Broke out. There's another one coming, right? I mean, of course, if maybe just by looking with your naked eye, untrained naked eye, you wouldn't be able to tell, right? But with a skinny pink line telling you whether if we are in an uptrend or downtrend, plus by connecting the tips at the top producing resistances and the tips at the bottom producing supports, you will be able to see things much more clearly. You'll be able to see the compression coming in before the break, right? Again, there's a compression as well coming on, and I'm going to assume that a break is coming for Floki Inu. So Floki is one of those coins that is, in my opinion, still very bullish. Still very bullish. Of course, again, things can always go wrong, but at this point of time, it's still very bullish, and we're expecting a continuation for a wave 5, right? It's unfortunate, if you didn't catch, or if we didn't catch the wave 3, it doesn't really matter, because there is a potential wave 5 coming. So yeah, I mean, of course, there are risks and all, and things can always go wrong. With that being said, yeah, I'm expecting a wave 5 to come on for Floki Inu. But of course, if we start forming mountain ranges over here, right? Skipping line starts coming back up. Yeah, potentially we could hit lower, but not at the moment. We're still feeling pretty good about Floki Inu towards the upside. There you go. That's the gift of the day. Baby Doge coin. Baby Doge. Baby Doge. Baby Doge USDT. Yeah, I want gate. So for Baby Doge, we are expecting a very big, again, this is gift number 2 of the day. I think there's a very big symmetrical triangle coming on that's about to complete as we break out towards the upside, right? Baby Doge, we have a target, ta-da, gift number 2. The target that we have is 260,000. We're at 20,000 right now, so 260,000 is another, okay bro, it's a 10x, it's a tenner. It's a tenner, boys and girls. Yeah, 12x to be roughly around 1,200%. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. So if we were to look at Baby Doge coin throughout history, right? Bro, why is there a red thing here? Remove all drawing tools. Baby Doge. Baby Doge. Baby Doge. Hey bro. Oh my god. I have to turn off lock. Yeah, so if you look at Baby Doge, because on Gate, we don't have the data, right? We don't have information. So that's why we have to move on to CoinTrader to get the full information. And we feel that Baby Doge could be breaking out. Look at this. What a beauty. What a freaking beauty. A, B, C, D, E. We're almost done with an E. I feel like that. I mean, of course, things can always go wrong, but I feel like Baby Doge could be breaking up. Big time. I don't know if it's going to be doing a Shiba Inu though. I don't know. After coming down and continue higher, and you know, just you have to keep pulling down the price, and then it just goes higher and higher. Yeah, I don't know if you're going to be doing that. The point is that we are not going to be waiting until the end before taking profits, right? We will be taking profits along the way. So yeah, the next step that we're expecting Baby Doge to hit towards the next price is 260,000. Of course, if we break out, right? Of course, things can always go wrong. You have to be careful about rushing in, right? So yeah, I still expect Baby Doge to be doing well. I know we haven't broken out yet, and I know that we're very close to taking out the lows over here. But this could turn out to be a very big, again, another symmetrical triangle. This could be a nested symmetrical triangle. This is what we call a nested chart pattern. So we could be getting something like that. This would be a beauty, you know. This would be a 10 out of 10 in terms of the quality of the chart pattern. So I'm feeling good about it. I don't know. Again, things can always go wrong. Sometimes this is too textbook perfect, and we rarely get textbook perfect chart patterns. So we might hit lower. There is that risk. So you got to be careful as well, right? With that being said, yeah, it's got huge potential. Moving on will be DogeElon Mars, Elon USDT. We look at it on Gate. Gate is shitcoin central. Anything that we can, yeah, nope, there's nothing much for Elon, DogeElon Mars. We're under the skipping line. See, the moment we crossed it, it should have shifted bearish, right? And look at where we are right now. So yeah, any clear signs of a reversal? Nope. Are we? Yeah, nope. There's nothing for Elon, right? Even when it rose, the wheels were playing with us. Look at this: left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. You would expect things to collapse, right? You know what happened? We rose higher instead. And so yeah, maybe chart patterns may not work for Elon, right? Because the Elon wheels are very cheeky. And so yeah, again, I just don't see anything yet, right? You can consider this as some sort of a consolidation as well, to be honest, right? Something like that as we head higher, something like that. So yeah, that's Elon, DogeElon Mars, Dejitaru TSUKA, TSUKA, USDT. We look at it on Gate. Yeah, nothing. We look at it over here on DEX tools, TSUKA. Anything? Dejitaru. Yeah, no, doesn't look like there's anything. And we've already done, how many percent is this? This is crazy, insane. How many? 1,000,000%. Yeah, anyone who, I mean, the contract creator would have already profited a gazillion from Dejitaru, right? So yeah, again, there's just nothing for Dejitaru at this point of time, so I preach caution about rushing to Dejitaru. TSUKA. AIDOGE. Let's look at AIDOGE, USDT. We'll look at it again on Gate, because Gate is always fastest. Okay, we don't have it there. AIDOGE, anything over here? 86. Why is it 86? What's wrong? Ah, look at this. The buy tax and the sell tax is so high, 15%. Normally it's 0, and you can modify the tax. Oh, but they've already renounced ownership. So yeah. Anyway. Point being, yeah, no, there's nothing for AIDOGE. This on. There's nothing for AIDOGE. So yeah, we're not gonna be doing anything. Nothing for AIDOGE. Volt Inu. Let's look at Volt. Let's look at it here. Volt Inu 99. That's good. See, buy tax, sell tax should be 0%. Anyway, Volt. Hey bro, what's this? Okay, let's look at it here. Maybe there's a lack in volume, right? Lack in liquidity. Yeah, no, there's nothing for Volt at this point. Volt. How about Red BNB? Yeah, no, it's just one straight line down. Maybe, yeah, but no, this looks like a flag to me. Is it the same Volt, you know? 5973. 59, yeah, it's the same, I think. Yeah, no, there's nothing. Okay, let's see if we can get something here. Ooh, maybe it's a squeeze though. Can you see this? Yeah. And again, look at the volume, right? Huge selling happening over here. Yeah, look at this. It peaked here. Oh, okay, I think I kind of understand. The whale, probably like us, would be expecting something like this, right? So maybe at the bottom over here, the whale will be like, hey man, this could be a wave C, right? A, B, C, we go for D, E, up, right? Potentially. Yeah, bro. Potentially. And so, yeah, they aped into it. But yeah, little did they know that technical analysis is not a guarantee. No guarantees. And so, yeah, we took out the lows over here. Right. Sure, there's something here, right? When we look at CoinTrader, right, there's this big line, right? Where's this? The date is 30th of April, right? We don't have 30th of April. It only got listed in September. So it's not the full data. So which means that potentially we could actually be in a squeeze for Volt, you know. But yeah, again, I wouldn't be doing anything, not at this point of time. So be very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Volt, you know. Kishu, Inu. Let's look at Kishu. Kishu, USDT. We'll look at it on Gate. Anything for Kishu? Not really. It's a higher high. Yeah, I mean, we could be accumulating over here before a breakout for Kishu Inu. But yeah, no, I wouldn't put on, you know, any trades for Kishu. Not for me though. Not for me, because there's a chance that we could still pop lower, right? And this thing could become a falling channel. So you have to be risk averse. I mean, trading in meme coins is really so dangerous. So having the skill of technical analysis would help eliminate a very big chunk of risk, because you will know the potential downfall, you know, what would invalidate a particular chart pattern and how things could go wrong. But for someone who doesn't really know what's going on, you know, you could have gone in Kishu Inu at the top over here, right, when there's nothing, and when there's all hype, you know. And yeah, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count it beautifully. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go here. Right. Can you see it? Look at the beauty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Technical analysis with skinny. So wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest, right? Okay, wait, I don't have because it's too small. So this is about 421%, right? That's wave 3. Wave 1, 252%, right? Roughly here. 350%, right? There's no saying that wave 5 cannot be longer than wave 1. But wave 3 is usually the longest. So you see, it's 421%, right? Anyway, my point is that there's just nothing much for Kishu Inu. Not at this point of time. I wouldn't be putting on any trades for Kishu Inu. There are much better trades to put on. But yeah, it's up to you though. It's your money. Milady! Is this the last coin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, sir. Last coin of the day. Lady USDT. Here is LAB. Oh, ladies USDT. Here we are. What's this? Nothing. Okay, let's look at it on Dex Tools. Ladies. There's actually 2 ladies though. One with this picture, another one with this picture. I don't know if they're the same thing. I don't think so though, because it's different pictures. So that's a bit confusing. Ladies against USD. Yeah, so it's the same thing. It's just down, down, down. Any clear signs of a tradable chart pattern? No. No. Let's look at the other ladies. All my single ladies, all my single ladies, all my single ladies. Now put your hands up. Oh. Okay, enough. Ladies forward. So how do you make a move for this, right? Is this honeypot? Nope. See, it scores 96 because of creation. It's not too long ago. It got created like 29th of May. Created like how many hours ago? It was 8 o'clock. Less than 24 hours, so it cannot get full points. Another thing would be that ladies, okay, they've already renounced ownership, so looks quite good though, to be honest. But I'm not comfortable making moves for ladies. I don't see the chart pattern for it, so we can't make a move for it. So yeah, ladies is a no-go for us. So yeah, be very, very careful about rushing to anything. Normally, most coins, there's just nothing going on. But when you find the coin that has something going on, watch it like a hawk. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's meme coin technical analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.